you're ready for a story, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're ready for a story and you really like the story, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands, clap, clap.
Oh, that was fun. Hey, welcome to Play in the Park. And I'm Jamie.
And I'm Dora from the library. And we're going to do another STEM story time from the Better Beginnings. This one's called
Rapunzel.
Yay!
Yeah, you might have heard it before.
Okay, Teddies, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Once upon a time, there was a lovely couple. They were a little bit poor, that lived in a house that overlooked a beautiful garden. Oh, look at that beautiful garden. It's not ours, but it's beautiful.
It's very nice, dear, yes, but no, it's definitely not our garden. That's the garden that belongs to the Wicked Witch. Stay away from that one.
Oh, and they hoped and dreamed that one day they would have a baby.
Oh, it would be so lovely to have a little tacker pottering around the place, wouldn't it, dear?
Oh, yes, oh, wouldn't it be wonderful, a little baby to cuddle and kiss? Oh. And then, one day, all of their dreams came true.
Yay!
They were going to have a baby.
Woohoo!
Oh, soon.
So exciting!
Soon we're going to have a baby.
Yay!
But after a while of happiness, there was one problem.
What's the problem, Jamie?
The problem was that the wife couldn't stomach any food. She would try and eat, but just wouldn't like it, so she stopped eating.
You can't do that, that'll make you sick.
And so the husband would suggest different foods for her to eat.
I know. Oh, you can't resist a good roast. How about I whip up a roast for you?
Oh, usually a roast is really nice, but that makes me feel a bit green at the moment.
Oh dear, oh, I know. How about some spaghetti?
Oh, spaghetti. Oh, the thought of it. Ew.
Oh, not spaghetti. I know. Oh, how about some mac and cheese? Yeah.
Oh, usually I love mac and cheese, but not today, dear.
Not even mac and cheese?
I think the only thing I could possibly eat. Oh, and I'm feeling so faint. I haven't eaten in days. The only thing I could eat would be those delicious Rapunzel cucumbers in the garden next door.
Oh, is that all really?
Oh, those delicious Rapunzel cucumbers. It's all I can think about. Oh, I'm so weak and frail now.
Oh no, what a dilemma. Oh, I don't want her to die. Oh, I think I might have to go into that witch's garden and maybe see if I can get a Rapunzel cucumber. Oh dear.
Oh, the only problem with the husband going into the garden was it belonged to a very nasty witch. And just then, the witch returned. I've been off at my monthly cauldron stirrers meeting, and what do I see here? Is that somebody stealing my Rapunzel cucumbers? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna turn you into a frog!
No, don't turn me into a frog.
Why shouldn't I?
Well, I've got a wife and we're having a baby and she can't eat anything at the moment except for these Rapunzel cucumbers. Please, 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 please let me take one home for her.
I kind of want to turn you into a frog, but I guess all right. I'll make a deal with you. I won't turn you into a nasty frog, and then you'll be stuck here in my garden forever. If
Yeah?
when your baby is born,
Oh, I can't
you
wait.
give the baby to me.
What? Oh, that's a terrible deal. Oh.
Yes,
oh,
but it's either that or I turn you into a frog and you can't look after your poor sick wife.
well, I guess that way at least they'll both be safe. Oh, okay.
Yep, don't forget.
Okay.
Give me the baby when it's born.
All right. I guess a deal's a deal. Hello, dear. Oh, look, you don't look very well here. I've brought you some Rapunzel cucumbers.
Oh, the Rapunzel cucumber. I'll go straight to the kitchen and make myself some dinner. Oh, very good. Yum, yum. Cucumber. And then by and by, Rapunzel was born, and the witch swooped in and collected Rapunzel up and took her and placed her in a tower in a forest where she had to stay all the time. And the tower had no windows, no doors.
Oh, dearie me, dearie me.
And Rapunzel spent her days feeling sad, crying and singing.
Woe is me, woe is me, I wish I could be free. La, 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 la.
And once a day, the witch came to visit Rapunzel and bring her some food. But because she was way up in the tall tower, she would call out to her, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair that I've never let you cut so that it would grow really long so that you could let it down for me to climb up.
Oh yes, my hair has been growing very long. In fact, it's grown quite long over the years.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. There it is. I'll climb up the hair all the way up the tower. And here's your food.
Oh, thank you, witch mother.
Yeah, just stay in the tower. And then off went the witch. Now one day,
Woe is me.
while Rapunzel was
La, la,
singing
la,
her
la,
beautiful
la,
song
la, la, la,
and
la.
feeling a little bit
At
sad,
least there's some birds out there somewhere.
along
La, la,
came
la, la.
a handsome
La, la, la,
prince.
la.
Aha!
La, la, la,
I am a
la,
handsome prince.
la, la, la,
Yes.
la, la, la,
And
la,
oh,
la,
what is that I hear? That's the
la,
most
la,
beautiful singing I've ever heard in my entire life.
la, la,
I have to find out where that singing is coming from. Is it over here? Is it over? Oh! It's coming from up that tower. Whoa! And the prince came back every day to listen to Rapunzel's beautiful singing. And then one day he saw the witch turn up. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair, girl.
Okay, here you go, witch mother.
And up the hair climbed the witch and gave Rapunzel her lunch and then climbed back down again. There, you're still stuck in the tower. And so, the next day, the handsome prince come back to the tower and called out, I'll give it a try, see if it works. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Oh, hello. Okay. There. You can use it to climb up to say hello if you like.
And Rapunzel did let down the hair, and so the prince climbed up her hair and into the tower, and
Hello.
oh, hello there. You've got the most beautiful voice I've ever heard in my life. Oh,
Thank you.
It's so nice. I've brought you this beautiful flower. Here, would you like a flower?
Oh, that's very kind. Oh, thank you.
Hey, do you want to be friends?
I'd love to have a friend.
Oh, excellent. All right, I'll come back and visit you all the time.
Oh, thank you.
Just then, the witch returned.
Here comes the nasty witch again. Oh, she's locked me up in the tower.
Oh,
Watch out.
let's hope the witch doesn't see them. What? What's going on here, Rapunzel? Who's that? I said no boys in the tower. Oh, you're in trouble. And the witch climbed up and pushed the handsome prince out of the tower. And he fell down into a prickle bush and poked himself in the eyes. Oh, my eyes! Oh, now I can't see.
Oh, dear.
And so he wandered off along the beach, trying to find his way, but he couldn't see where he's going. Oh, the water's over there. Oh. And the witch banished Rapunzel to the ocean, to another tower. Off you go. Yeah, he'll never find you.
Oh, this ocean tower here?
Yeah, that tower there.
Okay. Oh, this ocean tower's not very good either. I still can't really get down, I don't think. Perhaps I'll have a think
And
about it.
then, one day, when the prince was wandering along the beach, oh, goodness, I've been wandering along this beach for days and days. I can't see where I'm going. Oh, whoops, nearly fell in the water. Oh, what's that I hear? Oh, goodness, it's that beautiful voice. Could it possibly be? It might be my friend Rapunzel. Rapunzel! Rapunzel!
Oh, Jack, hi!
So good to see you.
Oh, Jack, I've missed you so much. I've been here so lonely. I thought I'd never get to see you again after we're being banished to this beach tower. I'm so glad to see you again. Oh, Jack, I've missed you so
And
much.
Anna was so happy to see Jack the Prince that she cried, and one of the tears dropped down and landed in Jack's eyes. Oh, went in my eyes. Oh, and whoa, I can see again.
Oh, that's lucky.
And the drips had a magical effect, and Jack could see again. Oh, wow, I can see.
That's great. Hey, Jack. Maybe seeing as my tears helped your eyes, maybe I could help myself escape out of the tower. I've been thinking maybe if I cut my hair, I could tie it to the bed and then climb down to escape. Do you think that would work?
You've got such beautiful hair, but that's a great idea. It'll grow back. Yeah, cut your hair and climb down.
Okay, hang on, wait for me. I'll just attach it to the bed and climb down.
Down
Watch
you
out.
come. Woohoo! Oh, yay! We're free. All right. That witch will never bother us again. Come on, let's go, Rapunzel.
Okay, good idea. Let's go.
First stop, police station.
Oh, yeah, we should tell the police. Good idea, Jack.
Yeah.
Okay.
That witch shouldn't be able to lock people in towers. It's not very
it's
nice.
nasty.
No, yeah. All right, thanks. And that's the end of our story.
Well done.
Oh,
Good job.
hey, Rapunzel.
Yeah.
Should we sing a song?
Oh, I love a song. Should we get the teddies?
Okay. Yeah, good idea.
Okay, hang on.
Teddies are good for songs.
You've got the teddies, Jamie.
Oh, Dora, which one would you like? The dad or the mum?
I don't mind. I can have this little brown one.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, are you ready for a teddy bear song?
Sure am.
Here we go. Teddy bear, turn around. Round you go. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Oh, down there, touch the ground. Teddy bear, turn out the light. Switch. Teddy bear, say good night.
Good night.
Teddy bear, wake up now.
Oh.
Woo, wake up. Teddy bear, take a bow. Oh,
Thank
good
you.
job. Good
Thank
acting,
you.
Teddies.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us for our story. See you
Hope
next
you
time.
enjoyed it. See you next time.
Bye.
Thanks, Dora.